SANY Loader Bucket Adapter is a well-deserved right-hand man. Every weld, every part has been carefully carved with fine quality. Its diversified series covers a variety of specifications and models. Whether large-scale infrastructure, mining, or port handling can be perfectly adapted. Choosing our SANY Loader Bucket Adapter is to find a professional guarantee for engineering operations and open the door to convenience. With excellent performance, strong power, and smooth operation. Rich type selection to meet the needs of different scenarios.